Welcome back. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Kathy. And today we had a request for the Fasta Pasta. Gail had requested this. She said she didn't want us to compare it to the stove. She wanted to see how this works. She is in a wheelchair and she doesn't want to carry the pot across to the sink. And that's a very good point. I see my mother-in-law's in a wheelchair also, and I see her doing stuff, and I'm like, it makes me a little nervous. So we'll see if this is a good solution for her. She said she has used the pasta boat, I think, but isn't really a fan of that one. Okay. So what this is,
and this is an older product, right?
This is, we're going back about 10 years here.
We're going old school. Where did you get this?
I got this on Amazon.
Amazon.
Oh, but look, where's it?
What?
As seen on Rachel Ray.
That's right. Oh,
So
that's cute. Okay.
So on the, see, this is nice. It has
the built-in measures.
This is for 1 serving. This is 2 servings. And then here is your cooking guide. So you put your pasta in here, and then you fill it according to the directions, the fill line.
Okay.
And I looked online. I have like a little recipe book online, or I think if you get the more advanced model, I don't know. It comes with the recipe book. The one I got did not, because I think it was like extra $5.
Oh, really? Okay.
But
well, that's great. They're not jacking the price up to cover something that you don't want or need.
So
okay.
But I guess there is a family size one of this too.
Oh, okay.
But this is the original.
Okay.
Thin spaghetti.
Okay.
And see how that works.
Okay.
So let's do the 1 serving.
Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. You can hear Kathy tense up as it starts making a mess.
Yes. And this is to use when it comes out. You do not put this in.
And it says, remove top while cooking.
So, and then it'll drain.
Nice. Very nice.
So I'm going to put this in here.
Okay.
This is nice because you don't have to break it. Like it
gets the whole length. So obviously, let's give a shout out to the product engineers for designing it long enough. Okay. Okay. Steps. Step 1, use lid to measure pasta servings from no more than 4 and place in cooker. Add cold water using the level guides on side of cooker. Overfilling may cause overboiling. With the lid off, cook in the microwave, power high, using enclosed cooking chart to select time. Place lid on cooker, remove from microwave using handles and strain water. Shake from side to side and straining remaining water. Rinse if desired. Rinse, drain, shake, and strain. So it's great. It's got the little cooking chart over here and then the general usage and cooking. It's a patented shape and design, have been determined through extensive research. And its cooking times and water levels per serving have been perfected through careful experimentation. Well, we shall see. And this is cooking times for al dente pasta. Okay, so can we see? We can see the little chart, the little notches there on the side, showing the levels. And it's got up to 4. 1, 2. You're going to 1. Let's do the little notches there. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I just did 1 serving, right?
Yeah, you did 1 serving. Okay.
It's covered.
Nice and covered. Okay, there is a thin spaghetti right here for 1 serving, 11 to 12 minutes. So Kathy's going to put that in there. There's her hover cover. All right, and we wait. Okay, so we've been going almost 11 and a half minutes. It's boiling? Okay. And maybe when we open it, we can see the boiling action in there. Should we count it down like NASA?
Lift off.
I know. 3, 2, 1. Ding. Okay, so we did this for the 12 minutes. It said 11 to 12 for thin spaghetti.
All right, now you have to put the lid on.
Place lid on cooker and then remove. So I think that's probably to keep the water from splashing on you. Okay.
I don't think this lid stays on tight. I think you need to grab it.
Yeah, be careful. It said there's handles. Are there handles on it?
I have it.
Or maybe, okay.
There.
Okay, so they're on either side. Okay, and so she's going to take it over to the, so is it hot on the bottom? Let's see. It is It's warm. Okay. Water out there. And that's pretty easy to do.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's not like super hot, so
It's
I don't think you're gonna burn yourself.
Yeah. Okay. And this is for al dente.
And it is.
Is it really?
It is.
It's actually cooked.
It's good.
Look at that.
It's better than a Chef al dente.
No kidding. So that's a single serving. That's a lot for a single serving, huh?
It's pretty cool though. All right, so
Fasta
Pasta.
Pasta.
Fasta Pasta. It worked. I mean, I
It
think
did.
It's
It's
you know,
not
and
too
I
hot
would
to
feel
handle.
okay with my daughter making
Making
pasta
that?
in that. Whereas I don't know if I feel comfortable with her using stove and boiling water on a stove.
What did the online reviews look like?
It was good.
They were good.
They were
It was a
good.
consistent.
Yeah.
Consistent reviews
This
on it.
also, you could use it for rice, vegetables, soups, and more. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed. I know some people are against microwaves, and if you are, then this obviously isn't the product
not
for
for
you.
you.
But if not, I mean, I think, like Gail, I think it's good.
Yeah.
I have not compared it to the pasta boat or whatever you had mentioned. But I like this one.
Who knew you could cook pasta in a microwave?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I think I'm gonna have to get one now because that's one of the 4 things my son eats.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, just think about that.
Cool.
Yeah, so that was easy. So, and it is made in the USA. You don't see that too often.
No, you don't.
Right.
Awesome.
So
That's gonna get a thumbs up from me.
yeah, I think it was
That's really cool.
$14.88.
Oh, okay.
I guess you could think about it for plastic, but
And some of you guys don't like to cook in plastic either. We know that, but
but if
sometimes it just happens.
if you're okay with it, then this is a good product.
Yeah.
So I give it a thumbs up,
Thumbs up over here too.
and
Hopefully. Oh, sorry. Hopefully you'll give us a thumbs up too.
yes. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks. Oh,
Have a great week.
thanks for watching. And today we had a request for the. Oh, I'm just gonna screw this up.
I can't. Fasta pasta?
No, it's
Fasta
Fasta Pasta.
Fasta pasta.
Serving. This is 2 servings, and then